Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2022 Volkswagen Golf R line. Now of course, as standard on this car, you get front parking sensors, you get full LED headlights and daytime running lights. You then, when you come around to the side, get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition. Now of course, these are an 18-inch alloy, but coming round to the rear, you'll notice you also get your rear parking sensors as well. You then, coming into the tailgate, you have plenty of room in here. You've got 60/40 split folding rear seats. Now it is a multi-level boot floor, so you can fold the seats down now and it will go completely flat. However, if you pull back, push down, it will then allow for taller objects and more space. Then coming out to the round again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Now of course you do get the part cloth, part leather, part Alcantara with Isofix mounting points at the rear. You've got full electric windows all round. Then coming into the front, we have also got your electric handbrake with auto hold, your DSG gearbox in the middle with your park button at the top, and then your engine start stop button is just there. Got your wireless phone charging pad in the middle, and we've got your touchscreen display which comes with your various radio sources just there. Your various media sources, so you have your Bluetooth on there. You then have satellite navigation, which is just here, as you can see. There we go. You've then also got your App Connect, which enables your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. But then coming over to the steering wheel, we've got your cruise control on the left with your volume just below. On the right hand side, we've got your track select with your heated steering wheel and onboard computer controls, as you do have multiple different views for your instrument cluster. While we are here, as you can see, this car has done 25,423 miles. Jumping back outside the car, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Volkswagen Golf, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.